This mini apple galette recipe is so easy, you'll impress your friends and family with a dessert that tastes like it came from a fancy bakery. Now I know desserts can be so intimidating, but I'm going to show you that there's nothing to fear with this recipe. And the scavenger hunt for ingredients, everything you need is in the description, as well as a link to get them delivered straight to your door. Okay folks, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of pie crust making. We're talking flour, salt, sugar, and butter. Let's go ahead and add everything to the chopper portion of the emulsion blender that I will link in the description below. Just a heads up, cold butter is essential here. Now let's pulse it until it crumbles. Create a mixture of cold water and a little bit of vinegar. While you're whisking, add the water mixture a little bit at a time until it becomes a dough. So we're going to shape it into a ball, plunk it in a clean greased bowl, and let it hang out in the fridge for at least 2 hours. So let's move on to our filling. I'm going to use a combination of Gala and Granny Smith apples, and I'm going to cut them up into small bite-sized pieces. Now let the magic begin. Let's add in our sweet, our spice, and our everything nice. Let's shift our focus to making the galettes. We're going to cut our dough into 4 pieces and begin rolling them out. Now you may be tempted to buy some cookie cutters so that you have a nice clean edge, but I don't recommend it unless you have good folding skills. Rest assured for this recipe, it's okay if it's not a perfect circle. Once your dough is rolled out, you're going to begin adding your filling. Finally, we're going to fold over the edges, brush them with some egg wash, and throw them in the oven for 30 minutes. The cool thing about this recipe is it's totally customizable. You can fill it with pretty much anything. Let me know what crazy concoctions you come up with in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a recipe. Up next, we are exploring the flavor combo of chicken and apples. Click this next video to come along.